How to download Windows 10 ISO file. So if you want to download your Windows 10 ISO file, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Windows 10 download. And once you've searched, you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to right click on a space and then go with inspect. Now, once you're on your mobile view, you just need simply go and restart your browser. And as you can see that here, you will have Windows 10 disk image ISO file, right? Once you have your ISO file, now you need to just go with the inspect, just remove the inspect and then scroll down and go with select edition and then select the Windows 10 multi-edition ISO and then go with confirm. After that, select the product language. After selecting the product language, go with confirm. And after that, you need to verify your download. So you just need to simply click on the link or just go with 32-bit or 64-bit, any option that you're comfortable with. And once you click on it, it will ask you the download file information. Select the location where you would like to download it and just click on download and it will download your Windows 10 ISO file. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.